Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's all about this trending hairstyle. It's a very new hairstyle and I decided to make a short video to show you guys how to do step by step from the beginning to end. But before we continue, please, if you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Glory Mtui, and before you leave, kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss anything when I upload new video. Also, don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and let other people know about this more. So I started by dividing my hair into two sections. As you can see, I start from ear to ear, and after that I go back and I start to divide my section. I will go ahead to make a box braid. In this video I use several methods. In case you don't know how to do box braid, I will show you step by step. The way will help you to do a good box braid and a braid that can last long time. So I divided my hair into two sections. Then one side I make sure it's small. After I hold it on my hand, I use two hands to divide my natural hair into three sections, which I join them together with braiding hair. Then I start to braid. I braid normal braiding till I finish this line. But in case you cannot use this method or this method is not good for you, don't worry, I will show another method, and all of these methods I show in this video. No need to use rubber band or gel. A lot of people, they have been complaining that rubber band break their hair. So I tried all this method I show in this video. Does not need rubber band or gel. After I braid several steps, I turn the section in front way to make it easy to handle it. Then I continue braid. So I continue to braid a normal braiding till I finish my braiding. So this is easy, you can see. And here I will show you guys another method. First of all, you must divide your section into two. One side must be bigger than other. Then small section cross in bigger size. Then use small section to grab on your hair. Attach braiding hair on your hair. Then use small section to grab your roots. The first time, the second time, and the third time. Maximum is 3 times. After that, use your finger to grab the roots or to secure the roots, while another hand divide your hair and braiding hair. After dividing your hair, the section you use to roll will be the first one to braid to avoid the hair to unravel. Then you continue to braid, and I like to use this method because if you use this method, even if you are a beginner, it's easy to cover your natural hair with braiding hair, so your hair will not show out. So end of the day, you'll find your braiding hair or your box braiding show very clean and neat, because this method from up you started with 3 sections, and in this style no need to add more hair. Again, I take my section and I divide into 2. One side I make sure it's smaller than other, and I make the hair even. I take the small section and I use to grab it on my roots 3 times maximum, 2 times to 3 times, 3 times maximum. After 3 times, I use this 2 finger to hold the roots, while other hand help me to divide my natural hair and braiding hair at the same time into 2 sections. After that, the side I use to grab on my natural hair or on my roots will be the first one to start braid. Then I continue just a normal braiding till I finish my braiding. Guys, this way it's easy one, very easy, because this method you grab your roots very well, But you also have to be careful when you grab your roots. Don't grab too much. Don't grab too much. You have to be careful. No need to tie your hair too much. You cause too much tension, and that's not good because you end up breaking your hair. So guys, you have to be careful when you're doing this box braid. Then I continue to braid till end of my section. And in case you want to add some amount of hair from one side to another, you have to add a small section. If you add a big section, you will see a curve in your braiding. That means you add a big amount of hair. You have to add small section each time, or small section every time. And you can see how the box looks. Then guys, let's jump to front section. This I will show you how I do crisscross. Before you make crisscross line, you have to make sure you know how many lines you want in front, and you have to try your best to make this line to be even. So first of all, I started to divide the line, and I will use rubber band to secure it in the beginning. Then after that I will remove, because in this style no need to use rubber band. So each line I divide 3 sections, and 2 of them I use rubber band, and another section I only use rubber band to tie only 1 section. And every time when I divide this line, I make sure the first section and the second section, the line is even. How I'll make this crisscross is the first section will start from here, here, and here, and the second one from here, here, and here. This is the amount of the hair I will use to make this crisscross, just small section. I hold almost end of this braiding hair, then I attach it on my hair, then I start to roll it. The direction you started to roll it must be the same direction you continue to roll it till you finish your crisscross. And another thing, you have to be careful when you roll it. You must make sure the distance of rolling is neat from one section to another. If you put bigger, your crisscross will not show well, and if you put small, also your crisscross will not show clear. What to do is, you must make sure every time before you join one section to another, the middle there is even. After last rolling, no need to roll too much. So here is the end. I put my natural hair together with this braiding hair, and I add another braiding hair, this section and this size, and I put back of my natural hair, and then I continue braid. The first strand is the one I use to roll it, and this braiding hair I add, I make it 2 strands. Total I have 3 strands, and I braid just a normal braiding. So I continue braiding slowly like this. If I want to add hair, you can see I add a small amount of hair. Then I continue braiding. If you add big section every time when you want to add hair from one section to another, you have to add small. If you add big, again your box braid will look like a curve, and that's not good. You have to make your lines be neat and clean. So I braid till end of this line. Braid till end of this line. You can decide either you want to keep some space end of your braiding, if you want to put maybe curly, but if you don't want, you can continue to braid till end like what I do. So after finish braid this, I take another small section of braiding hair. I remove those rubber bands, and this is the section I will work with it. almost end of my braiding hair, I hold it together with my natural hair, then I start to roll it. You have to be careful, guys. Don't tie too much, you cause too much tension on your hair or you break your edges. Then this will go there. You can see the crisscross start to show. Then I continue roll it. I didn't count how many times I roll because it depends on how long your hair it is or how short your hair it is. So every section have different times of roll it. So after I roll the last one, I add some braiding hair. Then I continue braiding. This is how this style go, guys. Just a very easy and simple hairstyle, and this is protective style. You can keep your hair 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It depends on what type of your hair it is. So here I add again. You can see I add very small section every time when I want to add. You can add it a couple times, 1 time, 2 times, depend on the size of your braiding, but every time you have to make sure you add small section. And this is how this style goes, guys. And you can decide either you want to use yarn or you can decide to use only rubber bands on your crisscross section. That's also okay. You can decide how you want this hair looks like on your side, which one you prefer or which one you think it's easier than others. So I braid till end, and you can decide after finish braiding put it in hot water or not, because that is option, but I didn't do that. This is the final result for our today's video, guys. This is how this style come out like. You can see just clean, neat like this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for all people who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell for more video like this. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share. Yes, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.